So, papunta kami ngayon. We're on our way to Anfield Stadium with my supportive wife. She's very shy. Doesn't want to be part of the video. Since we're here in Liverpool, might as well visit Anfield. And next year, hopefully, we can watch a game.
Or get it sold today with We Buy Any Car. He could spend days on end
It's torture.
bunch of time wasters.
Na tutok yung camera. Joke lang. Edit ko yan. Okay, see you in a bit. Nasa right. Okay, ayun. Medyo kinikilabutan ako kasi I'm a Super Liverpool fan. At andito ako ngayon sa Anfield. Ayan. Sa Anfield right now, ayan behind me sa stadium. Tapos exciting siya kasi ayun, kung fan kayo ng Lakers, gusto nyo Staples Center. Me, I'm a Liverpool FC fan, so ayan siya. So ikot-ikot kami. Unfortunately, we weren't able to watch nga the game yesterday. Nananalo. Kailan malakas. And thank you for my supportive wife for supporting my bisyo. Tala na ang bisyo ko Sports Liverpool. And next year, pag-iipunan ko yung tickets namin para at saka yung papunta here para makapanood. Bucket list yun checklist siya. So for now, it's the experience of going here. Diba? Nakakilabot siya. So meron actually tour. Hindi lang kami aabot because hanggang what do you call this? 9:45 to 11:45 yung kanyang tour. So a lot of fans here. Welcome to Anfield. Malamig. It's cold. So we'll check. Mali mo merong 30 minutes. We'll see. So meron tour. So malaki tong Anfield. Mga siya 60,000 seater siya na lamig. 60,000 seater tong na to. Itong stadium na to.
Gusto mo sa store or?
Bukas na ba?
Hindi ko alam I can check.
Punta na tayo doon. Medyo malamig siya. Ayan. Lamig. So yung store, mamaya will may pasalubong sa coach namin. And you'll see kung ano yung
picture na.
It's Bob Paisley. So ito, resume ng Liverpool. We won 20 titles. League titles, so that's yung old league and also yung Premier League. And then European Cup and Champions League, we have 6 na. FA Cups, 8 FA Cups. And then UEFA Cups also. League Cups, UEFA Super Cups, and FIFA Cup World Cup in yung recently won. So that's the resume of Liverpool. Merong section here, we can pay tribute dun sa one player that nawala sa Liverpool because he died from a car accident. Si Diogo Jota. So meron diyang to commemorate and give respect. So ang ginawa ng Liverpool, usually kasi pag may players na matay, ganyan, hindi na nila binabayad yung natitirang sweldo ng player. Pero as courtesy, because Jota gave his full service sa Liverpool, yung natitirang sweldo niya, I think I don't know until when, magiging part na yun ng support sa family niya. So this naman, kay Bob Paisley, one of the best managers ng Liverpool. Ito yung picture niya. He helped a lot of championship. Medyo madilim lang, but yan.
Some picture.
Konting tour lang. Ang lamig, grabe. Yung...
Paano mo ito na-picture?
Yan, it's another angle of the one kanina. But it's super cold. So, yun yung area for Diogo.
Però non come ho fatto.
Okay. Ang lamig. So,
Nagtatawanan mo pa yung mga takot mo sa lamig.
ibang level to. Ibang level yung lamig ngayon here.
Sarap nga.
Pero it's fun. Okay naman. Ang sarap sana kung dito ka nakatira sa ano. Yan, sa... Hindi ko lang kung tawag sa lugar yan.
Lagi ka.
Ang lamig. Ninagas kami sa lamig dito. Ayun, may tour actually. Pero, we'll see. Libreng tour. I doubt it. So, isang tour, I think is 4,000 per person. Yun. So, kaikot kami ng kahit pa paano sa Liverpool. And next year, gagawin kong goal, makapanood kami ng asawa ko ng isang game. Sana maganda yung game kasi kahapon yung super gandang game. It's you call it derby. A derby o derby. Kung yung magkapit bahay naglalaban yun. Para siyang klasiko sa Spain. And sa Pilipinas, Ginebra at Pure Foods. Ganun yung pinaka-closest to describe it. Grabe lamig. Sobrang yung kamay namin.
Saan ka na picture? Doon sa may
Hello?
bird.
Itong coke. Picture lang kami sa gate. And then let's hope that the shop will be open later. Gate. Okay. Bob face the gate. Ganyan. Mainit, parang lamig na kamay ko.
Wait, I'll have to just this. 1, 2, 3. Gusto mo picture kita dito sa may...
Saan? Dito. Ito. From the logo. Okay. So nakapila kami ngayon sa storehouse ng Liverpool. We'll buy merch, pasalubong. Coach Julio, Liverpool ang bibigyan namin sa iyo, hindi Manchester. Dito na. Ayan, we're inside the store. Ayan, we'll buy merch and pasalubong for our friends.
you'll never walk on the moon.
Mhm. Yan, yung mga banners na yan. Scarves. Ano?
Anong gusto mo?
Mamaya, ikot tayo.
Ikot.
Ito, women. FSC women. Okay, fitting room. Want to fit lang some merch that I will buy here inside Liverpool official store. Sige. Fit ko lang. Parang I'll get the small one. Extra small kasi and medium eh. I'll try on the small. I'm getting this one. I'm getting this one. Alright, that's our short trip here sa Anfield Road. Sa Anfield. And we'll see you next year for this video game. Hindi. We'll see you next year for game. Giipunan ko yan para makapanood kami ng game sa Liverpool. And abangan natin may exciting things mangyayari. Sana mag-champion this year, sana mag-champion next year. Para it's going to be a fun season again. And mukha naman malakas pa naman Liverpool next year. Alright, sige. We need to go back to the hotel and we'll prepare ourselves. Papunta na kami ng London. Okay, sige. Later ulit. Bye-bye.